Hi, my name is Emmanuel Osuya, a New York City insurance agent, and I'm a certified insurance counselor. How do you make the best theft insurance claim? On a personal policy, if you have a theft, the best way to make a claim is to first report the incident to the local authorities. Get a copy of the police report because you may need to provide that to the insurance company. You also need to alert the company if you were in town when it occurred. Report to the insurance company the day it occurred if you were in town that day and begin the claims process. Any documentation that can prove that you owned the items that were stolen from your apartment would also be useful, but in many cases the insurance company will not make it difficult if you do not have proof of purchase of the equipment. On the commercial side, if you have to report theft, please make sure that your commercial insurance policy does not exclude theft coverage. There are policies that particularly exclude theft coverage, especially if you don't have an alarm in the business. If you have additional questions about how to report the best theft claim, contact your local insurance agent.